Hi guys! Struggling to get coaching clients consistently? In this video, I'll show you how to use System.io to build a simple lead generation funnel that helps you attract prospects, collect leads, and book more coaching calls. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel something like Coaching Lead Funnel. Select Build an Audience and click Create. This funnel will help you capture potential clients before inviting them to a consultation. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a clean template and update the headline with a valuable offer, such as book a free 30-minute coaching strategy session or download my free business growth guide. Add a short description explaining the benefit and include an opt-in form to collect the visitor's name and email address. Step 3. Next, customize your landing page by adding a professional photo, a short introduction about your coaching experience, 3 to 5 key benefits of working with you, client testimonials or success stories if you have them, a clear call to action button such as book your free call. This helps visitors understand how you can help them. Step 4. Create a thank you page where you thank visitors for signing up. You can invite them to schedule a coaching call using your preferred booking tool or provide the next steps they'll receive after joining your list. If email is configured in your account, you can also send an automated welcome email with helpful resources before the consultation. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test every step. Make sure the opt-in form works correctly, the thank you page loads properly, and all buttons direct visitors to the right destination. And that's it. You've built a coaching lead generation funnel in System.io. If you'd like to create funnels, landing pages, websites, and automations for your coaching business, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials.